properly. Okay, so first of all, I just tell you that this is drawing which I want to draw. This is a sasu.
So, first you have to do practice of that. Lines, curves,
Yeah,
circles.
that line will start first. Okay, so this is the first use. Will start this. Okay, this is practice. So we are going to the practice for the circle. Okay, like clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is first like this. It's just as an oval clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, the straight line clockwise and anti-clockwise. Standing straight line as much as possible to fast and straight. And this curve line. Okay, like this. So we are first practice this one. Uh, Red pencil to the basic. What is the basics you need to draw? You leave a few space. You leave for the here. So I leave the space for here. Is that's just join. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So first you draw the line. Okay, circle. So and this we are creating this after the circles we are creating this line for the eyes, exactly half of
Sir,
the.
can you give me 1 minute? I have to go somewhere important. 1 minute.
Oh sure, so go and come fast. So this turn is to one pose ready.
Sir?
Yes, beta.
I'm from.
Okay, so now we'll start.
Sir, after this, can we make some realistic portraits?
Yes. So we are going today. We are going realistic. Not realistic. It is a anime portrait. Today also going to this some different kind of. We go to realistic very soon. Okay, because we are doing a realistic.
Sir, I
Just
want to show you our answers. I want to make it today.
okay. This is great.
Sir, what's the character?
This character name Tamat Sasusaku Sasusaku and Tamat. This is Tamat I draw. The Semu Kamoki Boko Kunsaya Melakans. Okay. So you can
Sir, I
create.
want to make this portrait.
Okay, so first make do this. Wow, very nice portrait. You send me in WhatsApp?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Then,
we can see your drawing and we comment for you. Realistic portraits, how to draw. So this is circle first make and
sir,
after.
I don't know how to exhibit, but I can tell you the website where I have got it.
Okay, that's fine. No, I want to see your drawing only.
Sir,
I.
I want to make now. Right now, I want to make with you.
Okay, not now. Or when you get time, that time you can send. Okay, I see your drawing. Okay, so now this is the eyes line. This is the forehead, and this is the nose line. So you can make the nose over here, eyes over here. So eyes over here. Okay, one eyes over here, one eyes over here. This is the area, the position of eyes, and this is the nose position of nose. Okay, and here to here the distance, same distance I create here. Okay, here, and I create this is here I can create this ear, this nose line, no? This is the position of ear, so I can make this position. This is eyes line, and the nose line. This is the position of ear, so you can create ear over here, and then join the jawline over here. Okay, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
So okay, so this is church.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, beta, tell me, Nikunj.
No, I don't like to draw animals.
Nikunj. Sorry, beta. Yeah. You just this is a portrait also, beta. So you learn this part, then we are going to the realistic. It's also the part of portrait. You no, this is not a scenery or the figurative. It's a portrait, but a different art style. But the proportion is the same for the realistic, anime, or semi-realistic. The proportion is the same. So you should learn this one. Twenty correction. Okay, so now after that, I just make the neck part is like this. Okay, and do like this. Do like this. This is the dress. Dress like I apply over here. Dress. This is a crazy drawing. Honestly, all over the world, this is a famous art form, and this is highest rating of viewers on YouTube and others. The or this art form. Okay, so we are going to first I make this one, and see here I divided to 1, 2, 3 like this. I divided here to here 1, 2. So we are creating this is the 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 face is like this. Here the face, here is the nose, and here is the eyes. So create the eyes very details. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this.
What, sir?
Make eyes like this. Understood, Betash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shreyans. We are making the first the position, and after the positions, we are creating the line. Okay, and this main line drawing. And now I can create little modification. Okay, like this. I make this.
Sir, you teach in Monday, Tuesday also.
What, Beta?
You teach in Monday, Tuesday also. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
No, I take the time my official work. I take classes Saturday and Sunday only. Okay. So see here, I make the hairstyle. This character name is Damat Sasu Saku. So here the belt. They are using the belt kind of. So this is amazing art form. So we have my drawing line is ready. We are going to okay. Not sure if you make new character. This is fine. Okay. So let's be square doing this nice line. Okay, using this brush pen, make make sure when you use brush pen, bolo, when you use a brush pen, you make sure your hand is make it a very clean line. Okay, then it looks great. Every art form, it's a specialties. Okay, this this art form specialties is a lining. This good line.
Sure.
Yes, beta.
So, what we are going to do in tomorrow's class?
Tomorrow classes, we are going to the characters. Okay. This week the topic is Sasuke, Naruto, all those. But we are making something painting, Naruto or Sasuke's anime painting, drawing, sketching, like this, beta.
Okay, so sir, I want, sir, can you teach, you know how to draw the cars?
Cars.
Yes, sir, cars, like a supercars. Do you know how to draw the cars?
Okay, one day I take the topic car. This uh, every weeks I take some new topic. Okay, this week I already take topic this subject, right? Anime, Naruto and Sakura. So why not change this topic to this week? Next week I start. I can show the car only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to car. No problem. Not issue. Different super car. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, when I'm taking the marker.
Okay. So can create this very sincerely. This develops the line skill, drawing line skill. Okay. This is the only way to develop your arts form, art skill. Oh, look at that. We are creating this the lining. Okay, I focus the lining is very important. If you want to make this great portrait, you should learn this different techniques, uh, different art form, art style. Then you can learn your own art from creativity.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you not create your own art form.
So this I have, sir, in this artwork I have made some new animation.
Yes, That's the reason I showed those different art form in this world, or introduce the world art, so then you can create your own. This is a portrait, but this is a world art portrait. This is very famous comics art. You should learn this comic art from, pop art from, you learn this anime art from. All art from is very important, you know. Then you actually discover your own art form. Otherwise, you, if you don't know the arts form, what art revelation in this world are going on, you not select your art form. Okay, say this is the only one way I show you how to create this Korean art form. This is the animation anime, but it's a Korean art form with very clear linings and uh, inking. This is called the inking. They're using some line.